This is really well done work for our comedian Sabinus. Sabinus, the construct road for Port Harcourt to hey. Sabinus, one of Nigeria's finest comedian, content creator, anyone, a movie actor, anyone you want color. They construct road, reconstruction. This one not be say this thing. This one they go grade down, they go fatter, they go come put granite, they go come put quarter, everything. Now they go on. Our comedian Sabinus. Now they take over. They give Nigeria entertainment industry another level to let you know they say if he dey with you and your community not dey well, you can still do something for your community. Tie the road may lead to your house. Even our politicians say no fit tie road, may lead to their own personal house. They no fit tie am. But Sabinus, he run am for Port Harcourt. Hmm. Hmm. Sabinus the constructor. This is the construction of the road. This is the first time it be say that they try to grade the road first. Grade the road. Yes, as they go, you see the graders, how they grade the road for the first time first. You stand. You see how the bulldozer they do everything. Then after this one, you see the video, see how they show you. So the grader, the bulldozer they do all the this thing, they grade the road first. Take all the yama come out. Huh? Yes now. So after that one finish, then the construction company come enter, come they have fat the road. Come they have fat the road first. You understand? They have fat and they put all the stone base. Sorry. They put stone base. Yeah? They put stone, first put stone for the road to make the road solid as they go on so. It's stone base. So now this one are the work of Sabinus. This now the work of Sabinus, which they go on for Port Harcourt right now. Now the work of Sabinus. Sabinus had him money. Now they do this one. To show say if he dey with you, your side not good, your community not good, the road military not good, you can do it. You understand? You see now they don't put stone by everything. Now that they want to enter the next phase, maybe say you go take enter the atfating, you don't come put the quota. You come put the quota and the rest. Quota and the granite. Come they mix the quota and the granite, everything. You see now. You do everything so that everything will fine. See am. You dey see am. Now you dey watch. So this na the work of Sabinus. Sabinus na run am. This one not be government project, not be local government, not be state government. Na individual pocket. And this thing for come out. See the sound. The final apartment that they do so. They put the quota, put the granite, so that it go dey motorable. This one you see na very standard though. They're about 2 or 3 inches and they do am so that no matter I carry big trailer, they don't feel much am out. Now you now individual. I run this one. I run am. For a person like Sabinus. Sabinus have proved that nobody will not feel live am for government alone. I know a lot of celebrities maybe say e dey with them like this, they have the money, but road maybe say lead to their house very very bad. The road may lead to their house are bad. But since Sabinus now, the community may dey stay, the road may lead to a house is very bad. Now I take am and say I go do this road. Forget, I go do am for my people. Sabinus do am, prove people wrong. See am, it has done it. Sabinus construct, build road in his community in Nkati, Aliagwo local government in Port Harcourt. You understand? Where this one for the apple say Sabinus construct road in Nkata, Aliago, Port Harcourt, Rivers State. I for do this one. Sabinus construct road. This is sir, na welcome development o. Make I just tell you na welcome development. All those celebrities wey dey say all the other say money na water. All done, only alcohol they know how to buy. Go club, they allow money na water. E dey with them, but they use am go money na water. But you no fit put something for your community. A lot of celebrities, the road may look to the house not good. Come on to just use grader, just grade the road during maybe dry season. So that go dey motorable. No, they no go do. They dey wait for the government, make dem come do am. At the end of the day, the government no go do. You may be say dem know you for the street, you no fit do. You no fit call fat like 5 million take grade road for your community. Sabinus don prove people wrong. Now it's not all about having money. Na who dey do, na dey do. They say na who dey give, na dey give. Who get the people at heart, na dey do. For this community, if Sabinus talk say wan come out for local government chairman, they'll vote am o. If Sabinus say wan come out councillor, anything, House of Assembly member, they'll vote Sabinus. You understand? Na so they take dey join politics. You wan enter politics in future. Put something for your community, showcase am, so that in future they'll say na lie. Na him do that place. If you enter there, you go do well. Even though say if you enter there, you got to mess up, but they no go see that one. But I first say you don't fit use your hard-earned money to do something for the community. Community will be always be proud of you. You understand? Sabinus, don't prove people wrong. Thank you, Sabinus. All those celebrities made it there. Man, I take challenge you. That na community. That road may lead to you. Maybe say not good. Maybe say you not fit you grade down. You better take challenges so for Sabinus. So Sabinus has set the pace now. Sabinus set the pace for the rest to follow. So I want to encourage all those people when we say made into entertainment, music, or anything you did. If you know say dey with you, your community or you wrote your street not dey okay, try do something for the street na palliative your faith, just still do so that people just still thank you. You understand? So kudos to Sabinus. One love. We hope you do more.